Okay, we're definitely starting with the wallpaper. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lisa, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be redecorating my parents' guest bathroom. They are overseas at the moment, so they have no idea what I'm doing or how I'm gonna change their space. And once they come back, they'll have a brand new guest bathroom. So they had a lot of visitors because they're retired and they just love entertaining. So the goal is just to make a really friendly, updated bathroom for them that they can enjoy and their guests can enjoy as well. So if you want to see how it goes, stick around. So to start out, we have this very old wallpaper. It's been up there probably 20 years at least, because it was here when my parents bought the house. So I want to take down the wallpaper. I also have all of the gold that you see on the fixture pieces. It's definitely worn out and old, like it's chipping and it just doesn't look that nice. So I want to actually sand those down and refinish them with some spray paint. I also think I'm gonna go ahead and do another coat on the frame of the mirror. It just needs touch up. It's been used, it's been there for a very long time. I also plan on taking the paneling off of the doors because it's fallen apart and it looks bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them all off and I'm gonna redo all of the door handles and knobs also there. I'm just gonna do all of them because they all need it, and then repaint it and give it a nice clean finish. Starting out for this project, I just wanted to test out to see how the spray paint would work. So I sanded down a few of the knobs and just did a test to see, and it's gonna work very well. In order to take off the vinyl from all of the drawers, you actually just apply heat, and it was not that hard, but definitely time consuming where there were all these tight little corners, but I did take all of it off and it looked much cleaner by the time it was finished. In order to spray paint the handles and the knobs for the shower and this faucet, what I had to do is actually use an automotive spray paint first, and it worked really, really well. It's actually been a while since I shot this video, but once I had it kind of secured and everything taped up so no spray paint would get anywhere, I did 2 separate layers of the automotive paint and I waited a long amount of time between them, and then I did the final 2 more coats of the gold on top of it. Okay guys, so I am working on taking the wallpaper down, and I ended up using a steamer because it's a lot easier to work with. So at this point, I've fixed up all of the drawers. I have spray painted everything gold that I want to be gold, and pretty much now I'm just trying to take the wallpaper down, and then I'm gonna caulk all the sides and we're gonna start painting. I can't wait. And obviously this is really just because I'm trying to get to the stage where I can do the mural that I'm really looking forward to. Once I got all of the wallpaper down, I did clean all of the surfaces thoroughly. And after, spray painting everything, I actually caulked all of the walls because they needed it. There's just it's an older house and it has some separation, but that was a massive undertaking and I learned a lot on this video. My timeline for this project got pushed up very, very quickly, and my parents were returning home relatively soon, so I actually ran out of footage of me painting the walls. But I ended up going with a little bit of a bluer, kind of darker green than what I originally had on the wall. It looks really pretty. I'm really happy with how it turned out. You can see that it's just a massive transformation. Here is the old footage of the room, just as a reference, and then what we have today. all that I have left to do now is my favorite part, which honestly, I feel like I did all of this work in order to do this final step, which is to do the mural. I was going to do literal gold leaf, but when I went to start working on it, I realized that I have this really cool gold textured paint and it's gonna work so well, I hope. So I'm gonna use that instead. And I also decided originally I was just going to do the wall in the bathroom where the shower is, but I realized that this wall right here is like very empty, and I moved this painting or picture to this wall right in front of us, and it looks really good there. You can see it in the reflection in the mirror, and the colors work really well with the color I picked in here. But this wall needs something. So we're gonna extend the gold leaf painting from there, and it's gonna be on this whole wall. So it'll be on this wall and the wall that goes into the bathroom. I'm gonna get into some grubby clothes to get to work. I'm gonna sketch it out and then I'm gonna start painting. All right, let's do it. That is it for this one. We're done in the bathroom. So excited with how it turned out. Cannot wait to do the next one. I'll see you there.